Want to keep an eye on your Samsung phone's battery usage? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to monitor your phone's battery usage. Let's jump right in. To get started, head to your phone settings menu. Next, scroll down a bit. Tap on battery to proceed. After that, scroll down once more. Here, you will see the list of apps and their respective battery usage. Moving forward, tap on View Details. At this point, you will be able to see your battery level. If you continue scrolling down, you will find a detailed overview on battery usage and app activities. To review the previous day's usage, just select the date you want to see from the top. This lets you check your battery usage activity from the past week as well. And that's all there is to it. Hope this guide helps you keep track of your phone's battery usage. If you have any questions or want me to clarify anything, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in.